gagamitin natin, kundi yung mga boses namin. Yan, namin. Yung mga boses namin.
Mga boses namin. Included. Tama.
Yes.
Exclusive natin.
Yes. Yes.
Tama?
Yeah, that's right.
Like natin,
Voices
not
namin.
including. Natin.
Not...
Tama? Wait.
No.
Exclusive, right?
No. Both. Yung mga boses natin. Pwede.
But what
yung
is...
mga boses namin. It's like interchangeable. I'm pretty sure
namin
it's
is exclusive.
Is it?
Yeah. Natin is ours. So it would be sa kwarto namin. Kasi you're not included. Or no? I think so.
Kwarto namin. Yes. Sa kwarto namin. Pero, boses.
Magandang nagwas mo.
Ang aming boses. Pwede gamitin ang aming boses. Kasi I don't think of, kung iniisip ko like Tagalog, I never think of like inclusive, exclusive. Kung narinig ko,
Or kami is inclusive and
kami.
tayo is
Yeah.
inclusive.
Tayo is also inclusive.
Kami is exclusive.
I just hear it. Yan lang.
Yeah.
Yan yung basis ko. Parang tama.
Naghamok, fought.
Naghahamok. Yeah. Naglakas loob.
Wow, it's a courage.
That's what my dad always says to
Naglakas
me.
loob.
Parati niya sinasabi niyan sa akin. Maglakas ka ng loob.
Talaga?
Kasi,
Take your tapang.
I have to, yeah.
Tapang.
Minsan masyadong matapang ako. Depende.
Minsan?
Sa trabaho. Pero,
Dito?
outside kasi
Dito may tapang ka.
Mihinhin
ba?
ako sobra. Pero sa trabaho kailangan. Kung sundalo ka, you have to be matapang. So, next sound, chirp sounds. Like a bird caller.
I think this is all by voice. Hindi pwedeng
Yeah, it's but there's the
ibigay
door opening.
mga gamit bukas. And remember, we have to be inside the confession room siguro.
Siguro. Kasi, pero, yeah, siguro actually, sa loob ng
So
confession
we
room.
can bring the drums. Electricity.
Stomach sounds, the balloon.
Not really, but sayang yung effort.
I think, iniisip ko, 90% will be sa boses.
Yeah. This is magandang, mukhang magandang, effort. Advantage at least. Sayang if we don't use it.
Yeah.
Sure. No. It's not happening.
Oh, yeah, pwede.
Yeah,
I don't
diba?
whistle, so.
Chirp is a whistle. You whistle, see? You're scared to even... Wala.
My brother says I can't whistle compared to him.
That's alright.
Sinasabi. Kasi my whistling sucks.
You can... Magandang ang boses mo, pero hindi ka marunong paano mag-whistle.
Siguro.
You're just shy. Yeah.
No, hindi. I have whistling contests with my brother. Kasi magaling